Holy shit here. Today we're going to talk about Khonshu. Bless you. Thank you. A barbarian. 944 attack. 819 defense. 1580 health points here. Not limit broken, but that's okay. Let's see what we got going on here. We got some Moon Family bonus. We got some serious passive skills. It's kind of interesting. One thing I like about this character already, very fast mana. Not enough of these characters, so I'd like to see that. Kind of tanky for a very fast mana character. So let's see, what's this 40% chance to deal 70% damage on all enemies on this passive? And then this is where it's kind of cool is that 40% chance can give all enemies negative 24 mana generation for 3 turns. So that's like that's a serious passive skill. That's more like a main ability. And what's this Moon Family bonus? Moon Family bonus is a 10% chance because he's standalone. With more, you can get 20. With more of the family, you can get 20%. But at this setup right here, 10% chance to cast a negative 24 defense for 2 turns at 98 water damage over 2 turns on an enemy who deals special skill damage to his character. So that's probably likely not going to happen too often, so don't bank on that. Still kind of cool though if you can get some negative defense down. If this character gets defeated, it's really only going to apply if they're kind of like at a tank or flank, but at a wing usually you're taking them out towards the end, so I wouldn't bank on that too often. Then what's the main ability is let's see, 425 damage, which is it's okay since it only does it to one of your opponents. But if the attack defeats target, he gains 50% mana, which is kind of cool. So if you can kind of pair him up with somebody who's dealing some serious like mana boost, that could be he could charge it fairly quick. Like, put him next to Ludwig or Odin or something like that, or Ariel. He could end up charging fairly quick after a couple turns. So let's see. Let's get rid of all these other heroes in the way here, and let's see what he can do. Alright, so yeah, it's Black Knight. Kind of just debunked him on that with his taunt skill. So we got to get him charged up again, and hopefully he can get somebody defeated, because I want to see that. I want to see what happens here. See if that passive actually happens as well. I think this is not necessarily... I'm not quite sure if he would be good on defense. It's hard to say, because since he's kind of like a sniper, but at the same token, let's see what he can do here. I gotta charge him up again. The hit is not too bad. I really like the fact that he can end up giving negative 24 mana gen to all the characters, and that damage hit that he does is kind of weak. It's so he does 770 damage to Black Knight there, but everybody else only gets 52, 50, 63, 72 at that 70% damage. It's fairly weak. It's not even enough to get rid of a small minion, so it's not even really something to bank on, but the negative 24 mana gen is something that's pretty good. His second hit is kind of inconsistent. His second hit was 778, so I guess there's a little bit of variance, from hit to hit. I don't know how they calculate that. There's not really a consistency there. Overall, he's, good offensively. Defensively, I don't think he's going to get you a whole lot of repels. Still a cool character. I like the fact that he does something different. He's a nice sniper to add to your setup and to your arsenal for wars and things like that. Not really good for Titans. overall, I give this dude a B plus, maybe an A minus because he's tanky and he's fast mana. So offensively, A minus. Defensively, I give him a B plus, possibly an A minus if you pair him right. So yeah, decent character, not a game changer, but definitely one to add to the arsenal. So tell me what y'all think. Do you disagree? Agree? How would you pair him? Is he something that works better, like in the family together? I'd like to see him paired up with some of these other family members and see if that extra 10% actually makes a difference. I think it'd be hard to get that negative 24 defense and that water damage to actually apply. And then you're not banking on that if you're using them offensively, because obviously you want to keep them alive unless you're using Mother North or somebody to kind of revive them. So, yeah, not something to bank on. Anyway, it's kind of cool to see this new character out. Let me know what y'all think. And yeah, I think this concludes today's video. I'll catch you on the next one. All right, later.